Munchies box breaks. This is part 2, picking up where we left off. We got our next one. We've been pretty lucky so far. We're going to start off with a Dark Withering, a black card, Instant, a Viscera Deepwalker, a 2/3 blue, an Ashcoat Bear, it's a 2/2 green, Admiral Seekers, it's a 2/3 white, or excuse me, a 2/2. Green Sorcery, Search for Tomorrow. Got a 3/3 black Corpulent Corpse. Got a Bogarden Rager, a 3/4 red. Got a Sangophage. The Sangophage is a 3/3 black. Got a Diavent Healer, a 1/2 white. A very nice card, a Wormwood Dryad, Swamp and Forest Walk. Truth or Tale, it's another really nice card. Smallpox, which is a black sorcery. Got a Phantom Worm, which is, I believe, green. It's immune to most attacks for a little while. The rare for this is going to be a a Magus of the Mirror, 4/2 black, and we got a time-shifted Disenchant, just a plain old Disenchant, which isn't too bad. Moving on to the next pack. That last one was okay. Open for another holofoil. Got another Aether Web. That green enchantment. We've got an Assassinate. Another Admiral Seekers, white card. We got a Temporal Eddy right here, blue card. Got a Mog War Marshal, it's a red card. Another Sliver, a Shadow Sliver. Got an enchantment, the Ophidian Eye. Another sliver. We got a Watcher Sliver. It's a white sliver. It looks to be an instant of green. It's going to be the Thrill of Hunt. Thrill of the Hunt. We got the blue totem for the time shifted set. Well, time spiral, but it's one of the nicer ones. Darkwood Tracker, green. We have a double color sliver, the Opaline Sliver. Very nice. The rare for this is going to be the Serra Avenger. It looks like we have 2 extra cards for this pack. We have a Stormscrape Familiar. It's going to be our time-shifted card from this. And we have another holofoil. It's a decent card. It's a Plated Pegasus.
You said you'd be pissed if you didn't get a holofoil. You got 2 already.
Yeah. It's a 1/2. And it's pretty decent. Alright. 2 hollow foils so far. Let's see what we can pull out of this next pack. Got another one that doesn't want to open. There we go. We got ourselves another Castle Raptors. Right there. White card. Got the Chronomatic Star on several of these. Talarian Sentinel. It's blue. 1/3 right there. Flowstone Chandler. It's a red. It's a 2/2. Got a Trespasser Ilvec. It's not too bad. It's a black card. Got another sliver. It's a green sliver. Spinneret sliver. And we have an artifact sliver. That's nice. It's Venser's Sliver. It's an artifact creature. Really nice to supplement any sliver deck. We have the Children of Corliss. It's a white. It's a 1/1. Got another Sangrophage. A black. We have a Viashino Blade Scout. It's a red. The Stormcloud Djinn. It's going to be one of those 3/3 blues. Fledgling Mawkor. It's a blue card. Another Phantom Ward. Excuse me, Phantom Worm. We got a Fortune Thief, which is going to be the rare for this particular deck. Or pack. 0/1 Human Rogue. It's red. And the time shifted for this is going to be the Stormbind enchantment. It's not too bad. Tail Drakeling, it's a blue. And we have the Flame Core Elemental. It's a red, not too bad. A Mana Skimmer. It's black. Another Nantuko Shaman from the green. Coral Trickster. Blue. Molder. Green. Another Children of Corliss. We have a Viscid Limmers. It's a black. We have a Ground Rift. It's a red. The Dreamstalker, 1/5 blue. Got a special land. We have the Fungal Reaches. It's a decent one. We have another Phyrexian Totem. Void Mage Husher. Which is blue. And we have the Demonic Collusion, which is a sorcery black. The ending one will be Willbender. Right there. That's the time shifted. And that ends part 2. And look for part 3.